Today we will be testing the volume cross indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the volume cross indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 64 different strategies, with 16 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 839 indicators, with 343 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 46 of the winning indicators. 14 of them have been able to maintain the winning status. The best one, a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the volume cross indicator, and you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. And so this particular indicator, the creator of it said that they made this indicator by request from another user, and that it was meant to be used in combination with another indicator. Surely a lot of the indicators that we test here are not necessarily meant to be used as a standalone indicator, and I am fully aware of that fact. It's been brought to my attention many times before by many viewers, people in the Discord and so on, and like I said, I understand that a lot of these indicators are not meant to be used as standalone indicators, and we're kind of looking for indicators that can be used as standalone indicators, or be able to at least achieve the 60% criteria on their own, not necessarily overall or eventually be a standalone indicator. We definitely planned on making a system out of at least a few indicators, but like I said, I understand that there are a lot of these indicators that were not meant to be used as standalone indicators, and so before people jump in the comments, I wanted to address that for just one moment. And so the setup on this is we are looking for these dots here, and let me see if we can excuse me, let's see if we can change these dots here. Don't know if it will work. Looks like it will. All right, there we go. Basically just a tad bit easier. And so you can see now that we have these red dots here, and you can see that we have these green dots here. And so the setup on this is when we get a red dot, we are going to go short. When we get a green dot, we are going to go long. Let's try it that way and see what happens. All right, so I threw out a few rapid fire ones here. So we picked up a green dot right here on this one. That would be a long signal. You can see we pretty much immediately, actually, let's see, that one would be right before the actual beginning of the year. So we're going to scratch that one. We'll pick up right here. So we get a red dot right here. That's going to be a short signal. And you can see that we immediately start to make a push to the upside. That one's going to stop us out as we then flip to a long signal right here. That long signal, though, doesn't last too long there, no pun intended, before we then pick up a short signal on the very next candle, stopping us out on that long. Looks like we get a little bit of a push to the downside here, but I don't know. Yeah, it was enough to get us to our take profit. And let's go ahead and continue on. All right, so let's see, we picked up that short there, it's got us stopped out. Long here, got us stopped out. We picked up this short here, we were able to pull down just enough to get us to our take profit. We then picked up a long right here, pretty much like the same scenario here. We immediately flipped to a short on the next candle, and we pushed down just enough to get us to our take profit, but stopped out on that long. And then picked up a long right here, and we were able to creep up just enough to get us to our take profit on that one. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so that's going to put us at the end of the year right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. So this is our Discord server here. It is free to join. Most of the channels here are free. You're welcome to join and take part in the conversations in most of these channels here, but we do have a Patreon only channel set up just for our patrons to take advantage of some great advanced information. For example, Sasquatch here is an amazing Forex prop trader, putting up charts like this on a regular basis, where he's marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest. The charts here, he will also mark out sometimes where he's looking to take a trade, and so he will mark out like his entry, his stop, his take profit. He also likes to draw channels and just different patterns, candlestick patterns and stuff like that, wedges and such, just kind of demonstrating where you should be mindful of price action, where it's going, support and resistance and stuff like that. A lot of great information from Sasquatch. He's a very, very knowledgeable trader. We have some of our other members here, like Lion Trader here is an awesome trader as well, posting up charts on a regular basis of indicators and trades that he's taken and so on. Just all in all, really, really cool stuff. I guess I should say they and not assume gender. Quiddy here, also a really knowledgeable trader, posting charts like this on a regular basis as well. And all in all, just generally everybody is very knowledgeable, helping everybody out. We have one of our newest admins, Mike from Upright Trading here. He goes out of his way to help people out with indicators. He's developed quite a few indicators himself. Some are paid, some are free. All of them are really cool indicators. He's constantly developing them, upgrading them, tweaking them, and improving upon them as he goes. But he will often put up videos or just explain how the indicators can be used, strategies, and such that he's developed around those indicators. So like I said, all in all, it's a great, wonderful environment. Everybody's helping everybody out. Everybody's helping everybody grow as traders and become better and more knowledgeable. I highly recommend that you join us. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at what this indicator was able to achieve. 1 year of testing. Got quite a few trades within the one year's time. Let's go ahead and count them out and see what we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, and 65. So 65 trades within the 1 year's time. That is quite a significant amount of trades. Let's go ahead and count out our winners and see what we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and 23. So 23 winning trades altogether. So that is not going to meet the 60% criteria that we were looking for, excuse me. And so yeah, this indicator, like I say, obvious problem is that it gave way too many trades within the 1 year's time. And again, it was not meant to necessarily be a standalone indicator. And so it's no surprise that it gave a lot of signals, and combining it with another indicator, I'm sure it would have cut down those signals quite a bit. If you're interested in more on what this indicator was meant to be used, the other indicator it was meant to be used with, go ahead and visit the creators page, the indicator page, and take a look at the other indicator, hunt it down and play around with them together, see if maybe they develop a nice little system that you could use. As far as our purpose goes, it's not going to work for what we need it for. Doesn't mean it's a bad indicator. And so we'll go ahead and move on to the next indicator from here.